It's a trigger named Esprit. What you're going to do is just think of anybody in your family, or dead or alive, somebody you like, somebody you dislike or hate, anybody, and you're going to spell. One card corresponds to one letter. The last card will be the last letter of the name and Christian name. Remember, nobody knows whom she's thinking, and nobody can know the number of cards and the very name of the card she's selected. This is the one. You agree with me, nobody can know this card, the name of the card, not even you. I would like you to take hold of the envelope inside the wallet, open it, and draw the card without showing it. Put it on the table aside. So this is your card. And this is, nobody can know the card and the name of the person you're thinking of. So your card was the 8 of Hearts. This is the card which was in the envelope, inside the envelope. Turn it, and it's the very same card. Envelope is normal, can be examined. One could stop there, but you did something incredible. Just thinking of a person, the very same card, which was printed, all the deck is white, just the two we have selected, the one you chose and the other one I had in the envelope. Same thing, you can have a look at the wallet, everything is examinable, the carpet, the rug, and you have the explanations.